Okay, I played, what's the name of this?
Disc.
Disc, just disc. We played disc with these guys. These guys are very good. They learn a lot and they can play it very good. We played about 1 hour?
Half an hour.
Half an hour, 1 hour, yes. Approx. It was good. Good sport. We are in Palolem Beach, right? On the Palolem Beach, and we played this. Oh, it was exhausting for me because I'm old.
It was a great
young.
experience to meet with you.
Thank you. But you have a lot of power. My power is at the end. My batteries are empty. I have to recharge like this phone. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
सवालों में जवाबों में हर दिन चुराया मैं तो लाता हूँ वाला टाइम क्या मुझे है यार कैसा कुमार है यार तू ही मेरी शब है तू ही दिन है मेरा तू ही मेरा रब है जहाँ है तू ही मेरी दुनिया मेरे लिए मैं हूँ तेरा लम्हा कैसे रहेगा भला होके तू मुझसे जुदा शबनमी चेहरा तेरा आईना तू है उदासी पर ही कोई हंसी दास्ता तेरी हंसी तेरी अदा औरों से बिल्कुल जुदा Thank you so much. Thank you.
I've been having problems with my chain the whole time, and it just got worse and worse as the trip went on. I took it to a repair shop to have the problem fixed. It turned out later that the chain had been unevenly stretched from the very beginning. However, I couldn't prove that I had received the bike with this defect. Later, I had to have the chain replaced, along with the sprocket and chain wheel. Fortunately, it only cost me about €40. The motorcycle rental company told me I had to get an oil change every 5,000 kilometers anyway. I had reached about 4,800 kilometers, so I had them do the oil change right then, along with a few other checks.
After my stay in Arambol, I continued along the coast road to Palolem. This place was recommended to me because of its beauty, and looking back, I can say that this recommendation was absolutely right. Compared to Arambol, Palolem feels calmer, cleaner and much greener. In my eyes, it is also more beautiful and more compact. While Arambol often feels chaotic and lively, Palolem feels more like a peaceful retreat, a place between holiday, nature and simple living. Hidden bungalow villas are surrounded by small forests right behind the beach. During the day, the beach restaurants invite people to relax, and in the evening they turn into romantic cafes and small bars filled with warm lights, soft music and a special atmosphere. Everything there seems to live in harmony, people, animals and nature together. That is what makes Palolem feel so unique. Of course, places like Anjuna, Agonda or Gokana also have their own beauty and character. Every beach offers something different, whether it is peace, spirituality, nature, nightlife, or simply the feeling of freedom. Palolem is without doubt a special place, and I truly hope it stays this way for a long time. Sadly, we humans often have the habit of taking beautiful things too far, until they slowly lose their original charm. Palolem was exactly what I was looking for. No huge area, fewer tourists, lots of nature, special experiences, and the beautiful beach. Most of all, it was a place where I found peace. A place of happiness, calmness, and contentment.
आजकल नींद कम ख्वाब ज्यादा है, लगता खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है। कल था फकीर आज दिल शहजादा है, लगता खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है।